how to correctly change Paramount Plus language. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to correctly change Paramount Plus language. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Paramount Plus app on your mobile or TV and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account, then you'll be redirected to this page. Now tap on any movie or show that you want to watch. Then tap on play icon. Here you'll see a subtitle or audio icon at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead, tap on it. Accordingly, under the audio section, a list of available languages emerges. Select any language and tap on it. So that's how you can correctly change Paramount Plus language. That's all for this video.